All right, hello and welcome. This is how to install a Debian 12.5 so that we can install Ludus, which by the way is the easiest way to deploy a dev test infrastructure. So this is my Notion. I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to get to the install Debian lab, which is the first lab, and go ahead and grab the installer, which if you copy and paste that, you'll end up here. Here's the net installer right here. Grab probably AMD64, I'm assuming. Then put that wherever you need to put it, and then we'll start installing. So just to do the test, I'm going to just put it in here. So create VM, Ludus, test. I'm going to put in the admin pool. I'm going to say next. ISO is Debian12. There's the net install ISO, just as advertised. Continue. Disk size, they want like 200. And memory, probably something to the effect of this. I don't know. We'll find out. Just say next. Finish. And here it is spinning up. 17 gigs. Nope, we want that to go a little bit faster than that. So what I'll do is, I guess I'll add a 0. 126? Yeah, probably not. Oh, back to that. All right. So probably this. I'm just guessing. Yeah, 31, that works. We'll do that. Cool. So again, the ISO is here, and I'll just start it. We'll look at the console. I'll make it bigger. There's the graphic install. Okay, so English. Oh, you can't really see. Let me make this. Can I not make this bigger? Cool. All right, well, continue. United States, continue. American English, sure. Oh, I can write on the... Sweet. I did not know this was a feature. That is neat. Okay. Anyways, this is going to take a while. I'm not pausing anything. You're just watching me go through the installation. As you can see, the IP version 6 is auto-configuring. And I'm also learning that there's cool features in this new product. All right, so host name, I'll just keep it Debian. I'm gonna bring this down so you can see continue. Continue. Domain name, nope. Continue. Configure network. And then the root password is whatever you want it to be. I prefer that it is summer 2024. Just joking. So the next one is what the account the new user. I usually put serveradmin because this is on a server. And I just like making my life easy. So now you have to do a password for your server account that's not a root account. And remember, summer 2024. No, don't do that. I'm going to put Pacific time because that's where I'm at. And we're going to detect the disk. Guide entire disk. Yeah, we're going to do that. There's different ways to do things, but we're just going to do this as if we only have 1 terabyte drive. So just doing it. So here's the hard disk. And continue. All files in one partition. Continue. And then we'll do this piece. Continue with the changes. Yep. just do it. So while that's installing the base system, I will say that there is a RAID 0 video that you can also watch and do RAID 0, which is the preferred method. But if someone wants to get up and start testing stuff right away, you can do this too. What is going on? Oh, can I like look at things too? Oh, look at that. Nice. Can we not look at that? Can we reset zoom? Nice. Actually, this is some pretty cool features. Exit drawing. All right. You know, gotta have fun with this time because it takes so long to install this stuff. So cool. That's that. This is scanning stuff, configuring a package. Do you wish to scan more media? No, not really. So let me move this down a bit and say continue. And then United States, continue. And the deb.debian.org, continue. And then we don't have a proxy, so we're going to continue. And it's going to go ahead and configure that. Selecting install software might take a bit. So while we're doing that, I'm going to X. Oh. X. Oh. X. Oh. X. Oh, look at that. All right. Stop messing around. This is serious business here. We're installing an operating system. Let's get with it. All right, so select and install software, 2 of 45. I'm not quite sure why it's deciding to hang out here and not keep moving along. Cool. I don't know. Well, you're all gonna, play along with me as we watch this area not go anywhere. I wonder if I exit drawing. Oh, it already went through. It like freezes the screen. Good Lord. Okay, cool. What is it saying? The system may anonymously supply. No, we're not going to supply nothing. So continue. And select and install. Okay, so we don't need a desktop environment because we don't want to install LibreOffice. Plus, this is a server, so we're definitely gonna need SSH and definitely gonna need standard system utilities. Press continue, and this will continue installing. Gosh, sorry about that last bit where we were frozen on that screen because I didn't exit my drawing. It's awesome. It's awesome. All right, so it looks like this is also about to be done. And now we're gonna, it seems that this new installation is only an operating system. Yeah, so just install the grub, and we don't want to do manual. We want to actually select the hard drive. Continue. And grub's installing. It looks like it's finishing, so that's cool. And then it should go, because I'm not drawing, so I'm not gonna make it look like it's not moving anywhere. It's not moving. Okay. All right, okay. Installation is complete. So it's time to boot into your new system. Make sure you remove the installation media. So for me, that just means this ISO. So I can remove that. Then I can go back to console and say continue, and it'll boot, and we'll see this do a thing. And then hopefully the hardware will remove itself, and then it'll boot in to Linux like it did. So great. So opening this up, we will move this a bit, and we'll go server admin like we did. We'll do the password summer 2024, just joking. And then we'll su to root. And yeah, and then we have to change the SSH deconfig so that we can authenticate in, password authenticate. So right here, so remove that £, save it, and then exit out. And then of course you can't see because it's at the bottom now. Cool. All right, and then we need to do system ctl. CTL restart SSHD, and that will restart SSHD. And now we can get into the system. So the system is 192.0, whatever it is. Then you log into it, and at that point, we go ahead and I'll move this up, and we go into the install instructions. We saw this. This was if you didn't use net install, all this stuff. So we'll just skip all this stuff because we don't need it because we already did it basically. And this is that password area, so we don't need to do that. But here's that restart. And this is done. So let's go install Ludus. So we'll go down. This reminds us we should go and check out the documents. Might have changed since then. And then this is where you would get the binary, Ludus server binary, which is a link here. And then you just download it, or you can just wget it. So Ludus server, and then we'll chmod it, and then we'll just run it. Once you run it, it should be good. This has been fixed, so I just ignore this now. I should take that out. But it's in a video I had previously. So anyways, it'll start doing this and looking like this and installing. And that's that. Great. Well, enjoy.